The staff of the Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, or the MeECL, under the banner of the Coordination Committee of Registered MeECL Employees Association and Unions and the Association of Power Engineers Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, MEECL, had once again started their agitation program on Monday to apprise the state government of their demands, which have not been fulfilled till date. The contractual employees who had started their 1-hour lunch break sit-in demonstration on the 10th of October, which will continue till the 15th of October 2022, to make known their demands to the government, have also decided on a mass casual leave on the 17th of October to enable all contractual employees to participate in a rally that will start from the office of the MEECL at Lumjingshai, Polo to the main Secretariat building. Speaking to reporters, the president of the Association of Power Engineers Meghalaya Energy Corporation Limited, AGITATE, informed that the demand of the workers for regularization of contractual staff who have been working for more than 15 years of continuous service and subjected to their performance has not been fulfilled till date, even though a clear roadmap for the same had already been drawn by the state government. He added that the association has appealed to the MDA government to not include or link the contractual workers of the MEECL with those of other state government departments, since the workers of the power sector in the state belong to an autonomous body.
Andre, ya kampat ka bagi tray, mi sisha, ya kajing tray, borba ka jongki, lakaday, hauslap akli air, hakamit kayong, klem na tengkay ya kapor, klem na pet, ya ka family ka jongki, Andre, kat bo ang mangiki officer, ilong gibakloy, banuan sakmat, banyas no aktilang, bani baka ka organization kaya sakmat. Apa deng gijing apa deng gijing ele, apa deng gijing duna. Andre, ka contribution ka joki kalong ka behe ba. Dia nakaliang ka jonga. Nakaliang ka jong ka coalition committee ka jongi, ka CCORMAU, como vice president. Takabas ngurit. Ni appeal Ahmad jangan ni sarkar MDA, Honorable Chief Minister, Minister Power, but para cabinet colleagues. Where there is a will, there is a way. Panakwa ban ong epi bahalor ka regularization ka jongki. Roadmap has already been drawn in the year 2018. Haka meeting hakaba ngarong along a part of that kubuway ni officer i-represent nakaliang jaka management. But kung mga jaka kaba power minister ila ay reply apo August House akan nega assembly beladep session ke beladep penmi ya katoyo kadan ka inhaban pay yaki legal complications segiwe ki hurdles ngangan ong hihang ni lada ka sarkar kamon kamdan kata ka legal complication ka hurdles namar ba hakato ka minutes kalalong very clear wala offer ki ya kata khatam snem itu ke bala dap khatam snem ka continuous service subject to performance ka jongki ka bakinyo ya ka internal report ka performance ka jongki na ki controlling officer kamot year wise kat ki bala dap ya kata khatam snem in regularize yaki but the financial involvement ru kamlong ka babun but kamdan hi kata ka impact ka banlong ka massive impact at one go, so it is a gradual ka bakanya hakaman usnem tengos ngo bakani ka dika ka baka roadmap nila de drone ka balong ka bashay ka barong very clear tingi syukwa ya ka MDA government nai linglang the contractual employees of MEECL but QA contractual employees ibade po ka state government ni QA departments ba namara ngilong la ka jong ha ngilong autonomous de
ila ya putre bang sedang dia kani lebih entah kasih syukur pada santarik kan ya kini ka sit in the tadi ka lunch break apa sih kenta bangin ya pinsnow ya kini ke jingdawa jumi hang ni ya ko sket ko office ni kan tam nilong ke badan bok bele bangi yo ya kini ko office ni ko persya ya kini Secretariat nang ni pedang ila batai pedaru ya ki casual members ni paro bakin shim da ka mass casual leave hak ka nyong turek bangin pini ya ka jingdawa ke jongi bakan long jingdawa ban siso bat hakakat niyo tuloy niya nakarali nado na po Lumjingshai tata Polo siya ni Governors House ka hado ang ikut ya kani ni ladang kumbaong i-president ng ladang sa government snap management ni kam snap ni saya pada sedikit pada kisenjang bangin sa ni pala ban batay kini